Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand. So this is the first product I want to show you guys. Second thing I want to show you guys is this product right here. Third thing I want to show you guys is this right here. And the fourth thing is a bunch of stuff inside here. So if you guys can't tell already, basically today's video is talking about batteries and all different types of batteries, and then right here we have the case for batteries. So let me actually start out with the actual chargers first that we have right here. So the first one right here we have a battery charger, and this is for the 9 volts battery. So all you guys need to do is just plug it in here, and then you guys want to plug in the back part right here, which is a micro USB cable. And then once you guys activate this product, then you can recharge the battery on here. They do have the indicator right here to show you guys when it's working or when it's fully charged. I'll show you guys how to use that in a second. The next one I want to show you guys is right here, and this is a charger for your AAA or AA batteries. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they pretty much provide you guys the cable right here that you want to use to activate the product. And then right here we have the actual product itself. So you can see this is basically what it looks like. So you guys can fit both the AA and AAA batteries in here. And they do have the indicator light right here, here, and here to show you guys when it's charging or when it's fully charged. And then right here we have the slot where you have to plug in the cable right here to activate it, which I'll show you guys how to use that in a second. And down the very bottom, they do provide you guys an instruction card and also like a warranty card here as well for the product if you guys have any questions. First thing I want to show you guys is how to actually install or how to put it in here first. So for example, if I'm using this one right here, which is the AAA battery, you just need to put it in here like this. And there you guys go. And then I just want to do the same thing for the other battery like this. And then it's all set. So you can see that is how you guys use it for this one. So obviously for these rechargeable batteries or discharges in general, this is not the only one out there. There's a lot of other ones out there you can choose from or use. But this is the one that I have. And then in terms of the other ones that I show you guys right here, it's the same thing. All you guys need to do is just get one of these battery right here. For this one is for the 9 volts battery. You just have to insert it here like this, and then it's all set. And then you just start charging it. I'll definitely show you guys how to use that in a second. But before I do that, I want to show you guys the actual case itself first. So usually when you guys purchase these rechargeable batteries or these rechargeable chargers, you guys usually purchase like the cases that come with the battery like this. So the case for the 9 volts, it looks like something like this. Whereas the AA and AAA batteries usually come in these containers right here. So you guys can definitely use these as cases as well if you guys want to. Or if you guys don't like those cases, you guys can definitely get one of these right here, which is a lot more convenient and actually fits a lot more stuff in here. If you guys can see, this one comes with a little handlebar you guys can actually use to carry around with you guys anywhere. And obviously they have the little zippers right here to open it. And it is kind of like a hard shell case. So this is what the front side looks like, and this is what the back part looks like. So let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so when we open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So you guys have the space right here to put whatever you guys want in here. So if you guys want to put more batteries, if you guys want to put the cases or the chargers in here, you definitely can. But as you can see, they have a lot of space right here to put all types of batteries. So we have the 9 volts, we have the AA's, we have AAA's, and there's a lot of spots for you to put on here, which is pretty convenient. They also have the slot for you right here to put like other batteries as well, such as the D, C, and etc. And then right here you can put the smaller batteries right here. But as you can see, there's a lot of space right here to put all types of batteries. There's some cases out there that can put less, or there's some of them that can put more. If you guys are wondering what I'm talking about in terms of what batteries you can put in here or the different type of cases, you guys can refer to some of these photos right here. And then the cool thing about this case that I got right here is this portable battery tester, which is super convenient. So you can actually use this to test each one of the batteries to see where the battery is. So I'm going to test out each one of the batteries to show you guys how to use it. So if I want to use this one right here with the D battery, I just have to open up this part right here. And then just slide it in here and then push it all the way. So if you can see, if I put it in here like this, it'll show you guys that it's fully charged right there. And once I let go, it's dead because there's nothing on there. Put it back in. Fully charged. And then same thing for other batteries as well, but this one is the 9 volts, so you just don't want to put it in here. You want to put it on the side right here. So just like this, if you can see, it's basically almost fully charged. And then for the AA and AAA batteries, just put the same thing like this, push it in all the way like this. Alright, so it's fully charged almost. And then same thing for the small ones right here as well. Alright, if I let go, put it back in, it works. And in case you guys forget how to use it or what kind of battery you guys can use to test, they actually provide you guys all the instruction right here and right here. and which side to put on. But basically green being good and red meaning it's bad. And they also provide you guys this information in the back right here as well. And the cool thing about this battery case is the fact that the way how they design this cushion right here, they do have a very nice cushion to protect each one of the batteries. But this is basically what the overall product looks like for the case. I've actually been using this case and all these chargers for a really long time, over like 1 or 2 years already, and actually been working really well. Obviously you guys are not limited to just this case. There's definitely a lot of other cases that out there are even better or very similar to this, so that's up to you guys on which one you guys want to get. And I do highly recommend getting any kind of like case to protect your batteries and just have it all stored up so there's no worries that where you guys need it. Let me actually show you guys how to use these chargers first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the batteries and chargers all set right here, and you see it lights up right here and lights up right here. Because there's nothing on here, so that's why it's green. But once we plug something in here, you guys can see that changes red right there. Same thing for this one right here. Changes red. And it should do the same thing here as well. Alright, so you can see it changes red right there. Alright, and then same thing for these as well right here. Alright, so you can see that that's red as well. So once it's fully charged, this should be green, this should be green, that should be green, and that should be green. So you can see that the actual product itself, it does work, and it is super easy and convenient to use. Alright, welcome back guys. So when I saw a quick test of the product itself, you guys can see that all the battery works really well. Super easy to use it. All you need to do is just plug in a battery, plug in a cable, and then start charging it. I definitely love how super portable these batteries are, and also these chargers as well. So if you guys want to, then just bring this on the go and just plug anywhere you want to. Especially for this one right here, since it uses a micro USB cable. You guys can basically just put this onto like a power bank, and you guys don't have to plug into wall outlet if you guys don't want to. But for this one right here, you definitely still need to plug into wall outlet because of the cable that they provide for you guys. And then like I mentioned earlier, obviously you guys are not limited to these two chargers that I have right here. They obviously have a lot of different other battery chargers out there and different design as well. But pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it to get rechargeable batteries and rechargeable battery chargers and a battery case, yes, I would definitely have to say that all of these are really worth it to have at home, in the office, or anywhere else. So that way you guys don't have to buy like the regular chargers that are not rechargeable and it's not as convenient. This way you guys can actually use the same battery over and over again, and you guys can just recharge it when you guys need it. And then obviously for the case itself, it's worth it as well, so that way you can store all your batteries and you guys know where exactly everything is. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's been just for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click on that like button in the bottom. That'll definitely help this video out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.